time, let us complete the given table. So this is the given situation. Then answeran natin yung 4 na kolong. First, rolling uneven number on a die. The given situation, what do you think is the experiment? Ano yung activity na ginawa? Okay, very good. Rolling a die. That is the experiment. When you roll a die, what are the possible outcomes? Okay, para maging sample space, anak, yung possible outcome na yan, ilalagay mo lang sa braces or bracket, then lalagyan ng capital letter S. So, ito na po yung ating sample space. Again, when you roll a die, what are the even, how many even numbers do we have? 3 out of 6. So, therefore, an even number is 3 over 6 or just simply 1/2. Next, number 2. Bas and Jeff are playing cards. So, Bas needs to draw a number 5 to win the game from a well-shuffled numbered 5, 8, 9, 2, 7 cards and placed face down on the table. Based on the given situation, what is the experiment? Okay, very good. Drawing a card. So, what are the possible outcomes? Ilang cards yung binigay? Okay, we have 5. Okay, ito po yun. We have 5, 8, 9, 2, 7. Para maging sample space, anong gagawin natin? Ilalagay po siya sa loob ng bracket or braces and gagamit ng capital letter S. Okay, anong sabi sa situation? Para manalo daw si Bas, kailangan makuha niya yung number. Ilan ba yung number 5 dyan? 1 out of? Okay, that is the event. 1 over 5. Question. Okay, next, number 3. Getting an odd number. Odd number naman. Kanina even. Ano yung odd ngayon? 1, 3, 5. Okay, yun po yung odd number. Okay, when you roll a pair die once. Okay, what is the experiment? Rolling a die pa rin. A pair die. What are the possible outcome? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sample space? Okay, sample space is equal to, ganun pa rin, kokopyahin lang to. And then, what do you think will be the event? Ilan yung odd number? Okay, 1, 3, 5. Ilan po yun? 3 over? Okay, we have also 1/2. Question. Now, let's try more example. Okay, spinning a spinner with colors red, blue, green, yellow. Anna hopes that it lands on red. First, what do you think is the experiment? Who wants to answer? Kabanban? Okay, spinning a spinner. So, what are the possible outcomes when you spin the spinner? Yes, Cleofe? Okay, we have red, blue, green, and yellow. And then, sample space, sulat lang sa loob ng braces or bracket. And then, ano yung magiging event? Anna hopes that it lands on red. Okay, very good. Ilan lang yung color red dito sa binigay? 1 over ilan lahat? Therefore, the event is 1 over 4. Question. Okay, and for the last one, you wish to select a 23-year-old driver randomly from all drivers in the age category of 18 to 25. Okay, first, what is the experiment here? Selecting a, very good, selecting a driver. And then, what are the possible outcomes? Okay, very good. Kasi ang age daw ay naglalaro sa 18 to 25. So, meaning yung mga possible outcomes ay 18, 19, 20. Okay, para maging sample space, sulat lang sa loob ng braces. Then after that, what do you think will be the event? You wish to select a 23-year-old driver. Okay, 1 over? Ilan lahat to? Ha? Bilangin nga natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ilan lahat? Okay. Ano yung event natin? 1 over 8. Paano kung itanong? What if the question is, okay, what is the probability of getting non-teenager? Non-teenager. First question, ano ba yung age ng teenager? 18. Okay. Saan nag-start? Anong age? Okay, basta ang edad nyo ay may teen sa dulo, ang tawag sa inyo ay teenager. Start siya ng 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Sama ba si 20? Hanggang 19 lang. So, ibig sabihin, kayo ay teenager pa. Kapag 20, anong tawag na sa inyo? Adult na. Okay, non-teenagers. Based sa age na to, ano daw po yung non-teenager? Start ng 20 hanggang? Okay, ilan po yun lahat? 6 over 8. Or just simply Simplify your answer. 6 over 8. 3 over 4 or just simply 75%.